past 2 years, the Uganda Police Force Management has promoted over 15,000 personnel to various ranks. The frequency of promotions and numbers of promoted officers would have been more, but there was a backlog created as a result of investigations initiated by the IGG on the previous promotions of 2016. A task of particular importance for the UPF management immediately after this function will be ensuring that all officers that merit but were not promoted are identified and set for promotion in the next phase. It is important to make sure that the promotion process remains transparent and free from manipulation.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.